Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off internet access for Premiere Pro. If you're using Windows, you can block only Adobe Premiere Pro's internet access using Windows Defender Firewall without disconnecting your PC from the internet. So firstly, you need to press Window plus R and this small tiny menu will appear in the bottom left. Over here, you need to type down wapp.msc under this open and select OK. And here, this Windows Defender opens. Over here, what you need to do is you need to select this outbound rules. And from here, select this new rule on the right. And over here, you can select this program. And after that, select next. And over here, what you need to do is select browse. So here under this browse, we can simply type down Adobe and select open. And that is it. This is how you can turn off internet access for Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.